How to fix NVIDIA control panel not opening. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you the ways to fix your NVIDIA control panel not opening. So there might be various reasons why this kind of error occurs, and along with that there are also several different methods on how you can fix it. So in order to get started with, make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. Now if your NVIDIA control panel is not opening, it can be frustrating, but you can try several troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you can restart your computer. Sometimes the issue can be temporary. Restarting your computer and see if the NVIDIA control panel opens afterwards or not. Now this might be one of the easiest ways to fix your issue. And apart from it, you can also reinstall NVIDIA graphic drivers. So first of all, you need to download the latest NVIDIA drivers from the official NVIDIA website. For that, you need to open up a web browser, and then on the web address bar, type in nvidia.com. And first of all, you need to uninstall the current NVIDIA drivers. You can do that through the add or remove programs feature in the Windows. After that, you need to restart your computer once again, install the newly downloaded drivers. After installation, check if NVIDIA control panel opens or not. Apart from it, you can also update Windows. Ensure that your Windows operating system is up to date. Sometimes Windows update include important fix for hardware related issues. If you've not updated your Windows for a long time, then you need to update it, or you need to check for an update. Go to the settings page of the settings page. Here you'll be able to see Windows update in the top left hand side corner, and you'll need to check whether there's some update requirement or not. If you see update, press on it, wait for the computer to be updated. If the problem still seems lingering around, then what else you can do is you can directly get the help of a support team. So basically you'll need to contact the support team, and they'll state about the issue or they'll look into your matter. Apart from it, you can also perform a clean NVIDIA driver installation. So first of all, you need to download the latest NVIDIA drivers from the official website. As already mentioned, during installation, select Customs Install Operation, choose the Perform, and then you need to select Perform a Clean Installation option. Follow the installation process, and you need to go through the prompts. After installation, check if the NVIDIA control panel opens or not. Now these were some of the methods on how you can fix your NVIDIA's control panel not opening. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.